Finally! Oh my gosh. Why does it keep stopping? This is already part 3 or something. Ouch. I just got my head. But I just got a lot nice without getting the ah, my nail is stuck in this thing. It's a I have enough. There we go. Wow, they look creepy. Should I upgrade? Should I upgrade? I just really bought that. With a lot. Well, my eyes were blurred, and then when I saw the 2x, I thought that was like how am I already at 2 million? That's so fast! Wow. What else should I do? What if it was this? I don't even know. Maybe I'll know when I buy it. If this cost 10 million. How am I supposed to do that? Oh, well, I guess I will come back when I think he likes to make cars for like a very long time. That's actually when the recording randomly stopped. Very long. And I thought the Wi-Fi was a problem. Oh, I'm just gonna shoot. Okay, I'm shooting at okay, I'm just gonna wait until I get 10 million. Then I'm not I really had 500 views. Why am I going towards my follow where my slides are going. Hindi ko walang upgrade. What happened to this? Oh. It's a bit if it's really such an upgrade, I would never you know. Bye, iPhones. Wow, it's making me so hungry. Seriously, stop. I just saw like what is that? They only just took that. Owner for these slimes. I mean, oh, price. It's only very good. I'm only like showing it, giving it to the box one. Long. I mean the moon. Okay, you know, another 6 million to get to heaven. Oh my, I was shooting at this. I was shooting at your slime. I was shooting at this. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade this. What if you follow somebody that's following you? Where do you just randomly think that? After you, Who cares about the stuff? I'm gonna buy everything here. I'll be fine, I'll buy it. Okay, let me There's a taco and currency. There's some Adrianite beef, and then there's a taco. And that. I don't know how that's all the big and not so this recipe. Bro, that person also taking Spanish burger. This took me a bit like this. Why am I shooting at this person? I'm slamming them. Slime. Are you sure? I'm gaining so much fast. Oh well. It's nice. Yeah, why so loud? Can you buy that? I'm trying so hard to. Oh, the magnet actually worked. Okay. So now I don't even know what to signal. Oh, never mind, I do know. Oh, right. Looking at something. Let's go up to down if we do that. I think we don't try recording up to down the entire time. It probably was. Is that better? Maybe. I saw Big Frankenstein. Again, I have to stop. Alright, you know what? I'll just let it get to 10 million and then I will. Okay, now I want to get to heaven. Can maybe get this thing in music. A lot of before if I got that like at this when I just started I'd probably get an animation. Oh! I should be fine though. I just realized the last time I ate them was like a few hours ago. What? How am I not feeling that hungry? What? It's fun. We have 8 million now. Okay, I'm just gonna wait until something exciting comes. Guys, when was there background music in this game? When was there background music in this game? Like, I never knew that. Okay, whatever. Is this false alert or is it actually good? Probably false alert, but it is kind of good actually. Oh, big blow, why not? Is that actually good? Probably good. That's actually not. Was there have 3 luckies? Oh, that's this, but it's not good actually. When did I have 3? Oh yeah, I got a gun with a third one. Wow. And also guys, I have 10 minutes. Guys, we're almost at oh, we're almost there. Yes, we're there, finally! We get this currency boost. Yes, finally! What do you mean, oh my god! Gained like 200 from that. Not enough to buy that. That's insane. This game's so nice. Okay, so what does the crafting machine do? What a Sigma. When did I agree to do hard stuff? When I bought it? Okay, now I can finally waste a lot of my money. I started to buy that in the earlier time. And I don't want friendly luck. I don't have any friends in here this server right now, so it'll kind of be a waste. Here. I already went here. Shiny. Oh yeah, water. It definitely is. Okay, I'm back. Bonus. Okay. Let me upgrade. Nice enemies. Wait, I wanna get goop. So I can finally. Do I really want it? Yeah, why not? on, let me get the groups. I just feel like I'm getting more money. Oh yeah, it's because of the monsters. Come on, go faster. I mean, that's a case not. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay, sorry about it. What is goop anyway? Oh, now we can get those. Oh, it's from killing enemies. You just have to kill 500 enemies. Wow. Inverted. Well, then inverted must be very nice. Oh, this is like that already. So let me get some more upgrades. Loot. Half like this 1 billion. No, I didn't get any food yet. Oh, you look really special. Boring, but anyways guys, see you tomorrow. See you next time I actually record. So bye bye. If I'm obviously gonna post this, so I can finally eat now. Yeah, yum 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 yummy.